Hello, in this video, we will learn an easy way to delete a Facebook page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to receive updates on new content. First, open the Facebook application and click here. As you can see, I am now on the Personal Facebook menu. To switch to the profile of the Facebook page, click here on this arrow. Now, select the page you want to delete. We are now on the profile of the Facebook page. Click here. Then click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Search for the option to delete the page in the settings. Type the word delete and click on the visible option in front of you. Choose the delete option. Continue. Continue. Scroll down and click on continue. Enter your Facebook account password. And click on continue. Continue again. Finally, the delete option will appear. What are you waiting for? Delete the page. It is important to know that you can recover this page that you deleted within 30 days of deletion by going to the page deletion settings and restoring it. I will provide you with a video on how to recover a Facebook page if you want to learn the recovery process. I hope the video has helped you. Please support our channel by liking and subscribing to receive all the latest videos. Thank you, see you later.